taken them through the lorries into the slaughterhouse. This is where they end up. Right behind us now is where the gas chambers are, and you can hear the pigs screaming through the walls. When they are lowered into the gas chamber, CO2 is pumped into their bodies and it burns them from the inside out. It can take up to a minute for some of them to die, which means they're in terrible pain that whole time as their body burns literally from the inside out. If this was a dog, or thousands of dogs, we'd all be so angry. We say we're all against animal cruelty, and yet most of us pay for this sort of thing to happen. When the pigs have been killed, their bodies are put on a conveyor belt and they get taken over here on a big conveyor belt over there where they'll get processed and ready to be transported to the restaurants and supermarkets where their bodies will be eaten. I think we have to come to terms with the fact that when we buy these animal products, this is the sort of thing that we're paying to happen. These places only exist because people who eat their bodies pay for them to exist. There's no need for them to exist. We don't have to eat their flesh. And yet we think that our taste buds are more important than the suffering of these animals, this screaming pain as they're gassed and literally burned from the inside out. We think that our taste buds are more important than the life of suffering that these pigs have to go through. I think if anyone who was here who ate meat, who ate bacon, and they heard these sounds and they watched these pigs were killed, I don't think they'd make so many bacon jokes. I don't think they'd be able to go home and eat pig flesh for the rest of the day and hopefully for the rest of their lifetime, because when you hear these sounds and you see the fear in these pigs' eyes firsthand, you know, and you make that connection with these animals and you see them as the beings and the individuals they really are, there's no way that you can treat them as a commodity or as an object. If we are a compassionate species, then this is how we can prove it. Sentencing pigs to a life of suffering to be gassed alive like this is not something a compassionate or intelligent species does, it's something that an arrogant and self-centered species does. And we should be ashamed of ourselves for allowing this sort of thing to happen.